All right, I'm Caleb. I'm going to show you how to add a product to your store on Wix very quickly and easily. So in your Wix dashboard, right here, we're going to go to Store Products. This is a sandbox website. It's a website we use to test new methods, make these kind of videos, and try new technologies. So in your Store Products, you'll see this screen. In the top right corner, there's this blue button that says New Product. You can click that, and you'll have the option to add a digital file, so a digital product, or a physical product. The physical product is going to be like a t-shirt, or you can see the descriptions right here. T-shirt, shoes, skateboard. A digital file could be a lot of different things. So it could be an album if you're a musician, or an ebook. One of my clients is a personal trainer, and so she sends out her personal trainer plans through here. And so you can add multiple different products into a zip file and then send them that zip file, right? So you could have like an ebook and a spreadsheet and an album, right? Or something like that, all packaged in one if you wanted to sell a digital product like that. So first off, we're going to make a physical product. So you can click physical. So we're going to name our product, we're going to add a dress. We're going to name this product the Tropical Luau dress. Already got an image ready for that. And so you can select the collection. If you already have your collection set up, you can select the collection that you're adding it to. In this case, it would be writing it to the dress collection. And then you can do a few different things from this product screen, right? So you can do all the basics. You can add the name, the price, the description, product options. If you have SKU numbers, which is usually for a little more sophisticated store, you might add that here. You know the weight of the product, maybe it's 2 pounds. Probably not. It's probably like 0.5 pounds or something. If you're selling a recurring product, like a subscription service, maybe you're selling vitamins, right? And people want to buy those every month, you can set up a subscription right here. Frequency, duration, right? So we'll finish out this product page for this Tropical Luau dress. Let's sell it for $30. Simple description. You can do a few other things here too. You can create a coupon if you want to give 10% off or something, right? Wix adds a lot of marketing tools within your website to make it really easy to market your business from your website's dashboard. So that's great for small businesses. So we're adding Tropical Luau dress to the dresses collection. Sell it for $30. We got a description. We can add a little ribbon if we want. And let's add a few different product options. For this product, we're just gonna have it in different sizes. And we're gonna add all the sizes we got. You could even change the price for the different variants if you wanted. We're not going to for this case, but you can see how if you had a product where maybe one size is much larger than the others or something like that, you can charge more. Cool, let's save it. And head back to our site. Go to the dresses. And here's the product that we just added, already live and ready for people to buy. Tropical Luau dress, great price, right? It's the ribbon that we added. You can quick view it, or go to the product page. Looks great.